Yo guys, this is your artist Tolgard, and today I'm back with another Goku working out commission for Thomas. As Thomas got his previous 2 custom Goku working out drawings, this time he wanted Goku doing dips at Master Roshi's place. It's a great idea and I was really looking forward to draw this, as I knew that this was going to be special. If you don't know what dips are, it's a bodyweight exercise with which you can build your chest, shoulders and triceps. You can also add some additional weight in the form of chains and dumbbells to increase the difficulty of this exercise. I will put a heavy chain around Goku's neck to make him work harder, but also because it looks badass to work out with chains. I will draw Goku in base form, ripped, and in the background we will see the house of Master Roshi. Big thanks for Thomas for another order and this great idea. And if you guys are also interested in a custom drawing, message me on Instagram. Now, let's enjoy the evolution of this drawing together and I will talk to you guys in the end. Let's go. So guys, last touch and then another custom drawing is done, and I have to say, I really like this one. It's so refreshing and new. The pose of Goku is very different, and also the background with the colors of the Kame house is so new. I really don't remember the last time I drew a house, but I think this one looks not too bad. I really like how Goku turned out as well. The form looks great, I love the face expression and the muscles, with the definition looks amazing. Thomas is also very happy with his next custom drawing, and that's the most important. Alright guys, let me know in the comments what you think of this, and make sure to like the video to show me your support. I will also upload this drawing on my real-time drawing channel in full time, and as always, for commissions, message me on Instagram. Check out the info box for the materials I'm using and for all my other info. That's it guys, thank you all for watching, and right here you can see some of my other videos, and I see you on the next one.